In question 5, we are looking at regression. We are given information on a survey investigating the relationship between a person's age and the number of hours of television they watch a week. We are told the mean age of the people surveyed is 50, and we've got the equation of the regression line, which is h equals 0.22a, where a is their age, plus 15. And in part A then, it's very straightforward. We're just asked to find the mean number of hours that the people surveyed watched television per week. So all we're going to do then is take the mean age and substitute it in here. So we're going to do 0.22 times 50 plus 15, and that is going to give us an answer of 26. In part B, you are asked to draw the regression line on the scattergram diagram. So this is our equation here. Essentially then, in order to get the marks, the first mark is for recognizing that the line of regression has to go through x bar, y bar. So we've now got that x bar was 50, and we found out that y bar was 26. So you should have that x bar, y bar marked on here. The line of regression needs to go through that point, and then we've also, in effect, here got the y-intercept, which is at 15, so it should cut through there, and it should broadly divide the points accordingly. Part C is asking us about type of correlation, and it should be fairly straightforward to see that the correlation between H and A is positive. And part D, we are asked to make a prediction about someone who is 18 years old. And it says, give a reason why the regression line should not be used to estimate the number of hours they watch. Well, obviously you could use the regression line to make a prediction, but the reason you shouldn't is because if you have a look, the lowest data point we've got is here, it's about 26. So if we make any predictions to the left of here, we're actually making predictions based outside of the data. Now that is called extrapolation, and basically if we do that, it means we are not making an accurate prediction because we don't know what is happening to the data outside here. It could do all sorts of weird and wonderful things. We can only make accurate predictions based on anything between the minimum and the maximum. So any predictions within that range we're happy about and they're reliable. Anything either way, be the same if we went greater than 76 or whatever the maximum value is, we would also not be making reliable predictions, and that is called extrapolation.